Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Tesla Model Y taillights. This can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it's a straightforward DIY job. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to safely disconnecting and removing the light assembly. By following these steps carefully, you can confidently tackle this project yourself, whether for replacement or customization. First, open your trunk and gently remove the two rubber bumper stops located near the taillight. Next, use a pry tool to carefully unclip the trunk's interior trim panels, starting with the latch cover and then the longer trim piece. You will find several plastic push clips that need to be released. Once the trim is loosened, you will see the two 8mm nuts that hold the taillight in place. With the trim out of the way, locate the electrical connector attached to the taillight. Carefully pull back the red safety tab, then disconnect the harness. Next, use an 8mm socket wrench to loosen and remove the two nuts securing the taillight assembly. Once the nuts are off, use your pry tools to gently release the taillight from its plastic clips, then pull the entire unit straight out from the vehicle. To reinstall, carefully position the taillight back into its opening, ensuring the studs align. Secure it with the two 8mm nuts, tightening them to 3.2 Nm or 2.4 pound-feet if using a torque wrench. Reconnect the electrical harness, pushing the red safety tab forward to lock it. Finally, snap all the interior trim panels and rubber bumper stops back into their original positions, then test your lights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.